Hey everybody, I have part two to the throttle body and thermostat video. I didn't have sound on the first one. I just want to go over something. Now remember, you're going to take this part off obviously first using a screwdriver. You're going to take this rubber piece off to free up some space. Okay, now when you see the throttle body, the mouth exposed, look at the bolts around it. Most of them are, I want to say 13 millimeter. You're going to need an extension. And again, you're going to have to, this is a 10 millimeter. You're going to have to take that off. That black pipe goes across the front of the van behind the dipstick. And it goes into some of the tubes there. Now see that rubber hose there? That needs to be taken off. We went over that. The throttle body comes off. You see that? It comes off. And if you want to clean it or do whatever, there you have it right there. Now, as far as where the thermostat is located, I want to go into more detail. Remember, you're going to have difficulty. The exhaust, you see that large silver pipe? That's the exhaust, and that kind of hides the pipe that covers the thermostat. It's tricky getting under there. That's why you have to loosen that black pipe so that you can lift it and move it out of your way. Now look at that there. That's where the thermostat is housed. It's hidden. There are two bolts there. One is on the top. One is, you can barely see it, is on the back side of it. That's what I wanted to show you again. You see that there? You can just see the top of that bolt right there on the bottom. You're going to have to put your hand probably under the exhaust, get a wrench, and slowly turn that puppy with the wrench. You see, that's the top hole right there, easy. And the way it's designed is tricky. That's the old thermostat. I finally had gotten the pipe off of it, the cover off of it. And I just want to show you that you have to be careful and be patient. I had to run my hand under the exhaust to do that with a wrench. And because the bottom bolt, there's a cutout. You see on the right side of the screen, that's a cutout. The good thing about that is when you put the new one in, you can put the thermostat in and put that back bolt in too, right? Like that. Then you can go from there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.